Hey guys, I have this new toy from eBay. It is made by US Lock. I got it not because it's US Lock and made in the USA, which are both cool, but it claimed to be a restricted Keyway dealer only. There's the key. See that? Got a lot of wording on it. Let's zoom in on the subject here. Focus up. There we go. If I turn this a little bit, you can see it's actually not that challenging of a bidding, or it doesn't look like it. Haven't tried it yet though, so we'll see how it does. See if we can get her open. And I have no idea what kind of security pins might be inside. Just to show you with the key. There we go. The cam is hitting the vise, so I can only go that far, but I think we'll survive the experience. Let's see if the standard Peterson pry bar will fit. It does. That makes me happy. And let's try clockwise tension. And let's see if a diamond fits in here. Okay, so this is a big fat pick, and I'm starting at the bottom of the keyway, and I can feel the pins. So I have a feeling that the restriction is really just key control, not meant to be for any security purposes. Wow, that's either I'm doing something wrong or that's a really deep set pin. You know what? Let's try something. Yeah, I'm not bitch picking. I think I need something pointier, and I think I'm gonna go bottom of the keyway on it now. I've got just loads of room here. Might as well use it, huh? Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is a gem. Huh. It's set. Didn't get a nice positive click on it, but I'm getting some rotation. I've either overset one or it should be one pin off. This block must have very good tolerances because I'm hardly feeling the sets at all. This is interesting. Okay, I felt some rotation on that one. Where'd my gem go? I'm oversetting one. It seems hard to believe, though. That was 2. 1, 2. Okay. 3 is set. Maybe having trouble getting at 4. Let's go in with something a little thinner. Mr. 5. So we're actually on a pin and not in the keyway. There it is. Wow. Well, that took a jolly long time, didn't it? I felt no security pins whatsoever, but the tolerances on this thing must be incredibly good, because that was really, really really tight in there. Let's just do a quick vetting if I can find my follower. So let's see if we can then find the screwdriver and get these things out. This claimed to be brand new. I bought it. New old stock, whatever that means. And I have picked US Lock before, and I have found them to be very nicely made. So it would not surprise me if this has quite excellent tolerances. How much time do I have? I got 4 minutes, okay. Alright, let the key go, put the key in, turn, pins up, and do this, and yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we can see it actually is a 6-pin cylinder with 5 of the pins populated, which is actually what it said on the box. And these appear to all be normal bottom pins. See how very, very closely they fit flush to the thing. I'm not going to dump the pins because I don't really care. Okay, well, we're in millimeters, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so I've got 1290 on the OD, and that's reading pretty consistently. The 12 point, I don't know if you can see that, 12.90 outer diameter. Now I'm going to turn yeah, that's perfect. I'm going to take the follower. I'm not actually going to drop the pin. You can see what I've got here. Where's focus? Let me zoom out just a little bit. And I'm just going to measure the inner diameter here. And of course, everything in the world is right-handed, so we got to switch over. Let's see what the inner diameter is. We had 1290, and we've got 1298 here. So that's 0.08 of a millimeter, according to my caliper. Now, I don't really know what that is, so on the ID we've got about 5120 inches. And on the OD we have 5080, so it's 4/1000ths of an inch. 5120, 5080, yeah, 4/1000ths of an inch. And from what I can tell, it's very tight all the way back. So very, very snug fit. Let's put her back together now. We can get it to cooperate. There we go. So there you are, US lock. Nice little piece of work, made in America, SPP'd. And yeah, hard to pick because of the very fine manufacturing tolerances, and that's really not a very challenging bitting, to be honest. If it's in focus. I mean, I was hitting that, but given the depth of the keyway, not too bad. So I think if you put some spools and stuff in here, this thing could get really interesting. So, all right. Thanks for watching. This is Alex. Please subscribe to my channel, and as always, have fun, and please keep it legal. Cheers.